Alright, so the project this week is this 2020 DURAMAX. We're gonna install a 6-inch lift kit on it. So it's all stock right now. We got it in the back here. It is a BDS Lift Kit with Fox shocks. Got some fuel wheels, we'll pull those out in a second. But yeah, pretty excited, so let's get started. Alright, so about an hour and a half later, we're doing really good. Got this knuckle ready to come off, both ball joints, as well as the same thing on the other side. So yank those out and then we'll see what's next. Alright, so it's the next day. Done quite a bit of stuff here. Got all these drop down brackets in, got the diff drop bracket in, and then the diff cross member bracket in. And then we put the nice Fox shock in, torqued all the bolts down, as well as that big silver one back there, which is an inch big. That goes to 200 foot-pounds, so quite a bit. Other than that, gonna keep going and hope to finish up the front today.
All right, we're working on installing the knuckle and hub now. Here we've trimmed the dust shield so that the brake mount caliper mounting hole is clear, and right here you can see there's the O-ring with some grease, so we're just going to slap it on now. Much easier to do off the truck. Make sure it seats well and align all the holes, and then we can throw the 4 bolts down. We're using the original hardware.
Okay, so here installing the knuckle now. See, we put a ratchet strap on here to compress the 2 A-arms together, and so that we can put the nut on there easily and not have to mess around with the pry bar. Alright, so we got it sitting nicely here. Got these new wheels on, and here we're just adjusting the steering links just to try and get it somewhat pointed straight. We're obviously going to take it to an alignment shop to get it properly done, but right now it's looking good. Bit of a squatted truck right now, so we'll work on the back next. And here we go. This is the truck right now. So we've got the full front lift kit installed, and then the back one there, still the stock. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and install the back part of it, but right now looking pretty sweet. All right, and so that is the end of this. Got it all set up here. Did the front and the back, and really happy with the way it turned out. So if you like this type of content, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more of it.